Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Georgia. If you're new, welcome, and if you're not, welcome back. So in today's video, I'm gonna be doing my initial review of this cheap hair that I found on Amazon. This is like the goat of cheap hair.
This is not a dream.
So if you want to see this video, make sure you stay tuned. But before you get started, make sure you guys like this video, share the video, subscribe, and also leave a comment down below. So let's get started.
You need to know you're beautiful, you're perfect just like you are.
So the hair that I got, it came in 3 bundles. So I'm gonna just tell you guys from this Amazon. This is how it looked on Amazon right here, and I'm showing you it was $28. So I'm gonna put it at the screen so you guys can go along with me also. So the hair, screen record it. Okay, so the hair that I got, it is from Amazon. It is 3 bundles. That is $28. I got 2 packs, so I got 6 bundles in total. That was under $60. It was 100% human hair, 100% unprocessed. The hair was fabulous, and it was only $28. So the hair is right here. I'm gonna put it on the screen so you guys can see it. I'm gonna put it over here so you guys can see what I'm looking at. So the hair, the brand of the hair is called Shimmy Hair. The hair is a straight human hair bundle. It comes in 14, 16, and 18 inch. It's 3 bundles. Unprocessed virgin Brazilian hair bundle weave, human hair bundle weave. And then the hair, it was $28.49. So right here, you can see the hair was $28.49. It took only 2 days to ship. If you have Amazon Prime, it does ship through Amazon Prime, so you can get it through Amazon Prime. For you, I haven't installed it yet, so I don't know if it's going to shed, but I'm going to take it out the package so you guys can see that part. So right here, this is how the hair looks on the picture. And then for the description, it tells you that the texture of the hair, it's a straight human hair bundle, and then it comes with 3 Brazilian virgin straight human hair. And it also tells you that the material is 100% unprocessed Brazilian human hair. It's human hair type, which is Brazilian Remy human hair. It tells you right here 3 pieces. Unit weight is 70 grams. Okay, yeah, it does have customer reviews and it have mixed reviews. That's why I didn't really want to buy it, because it had mixed reviews. But I just wanted to see for myself if the hair is good or not, if it is human hair, or if they just say it's human hair and it's actually synthetic hair. But the hair that I got, it is human hair, so I don't know. Someone says right here that it's human and a synthetic blend. I'm not 100% happy with the product, as it is a blend of human and synthetic hair. But for me, I didn't see that, so I'm gonna just go ahead and show you guys the hair right here. So as I said, I got 2 of these, so in total I got 6 bundles, and it was under $60. I think 2 bundles can do your head. So this is the hair, how it comes right here. So this one is the 16 inch. This one is the 18 inch. This one is this is for here right here. It is jet black. It doesn't really have any factory smell. This is how the weft is looking, so you guys can see. This is how the weft is looking. It's very full. And then this is the hair. So the hair look, it's a bouncy. Right here, it's bouncy and it's not shedding right now. After I install it, I'll let you guys know if it does shed a lot or not. But it does have a little flyaways, you can see. Let me see if you can see. I turn it this way. So it does have a little flyaways right here. Like the hair has been cut a little, but that's okay. The hair was only $28, so you can't beat that. And it's human hair. And I said this is the weft. So yeah, so I'm going to just leave this. I'm gonna leave this. Let me take out the other two so you guys can see them together, and to see if a whole pack can do your hair. Put this way. So this is all three hairs together. Right here, you see that it's very full. Look at that. It's very full, and it's not shedding. Nothing is coming out here, in my hands. So, and then all three of them together. Look at that, how full it is. But yeah, you can't beat this. So $28, $28 for 3 human hair bundles. Like, tell me a place where you can get human hair bundles for $28. If you know a place, let me know, because I don't. And I like cheap things. I like to be on my, you know. Yes, your girl is bad and bougie. But yes. So this is the hair. I guess this is the end of the review. I just wanted to show you guys the hair, and I wanted to show you guys that I got this here for $28. But I'm gonna install it, I'm gonna wash it, and I'm gonna see if it actually keeps. I'm gonna flat iron it. I'm gonna come back with a review after I install it, or I'm gonna come and show you guys how I'm gonna install it. Maybe I use the same method as this here. As I said, if you guys don't know, this is not my real hair. This is some invisible crochet. You guys can go ahead and check that video out, how to achieve this style. You guys are going to love it. And the hair was just $2 too. Like, I think I'm the queen of cheapness, like when it comes to cheap hair. Yeah. Yeah, the queen of cheapness. But this is how the hair is looking. It's a very thick, bouncy, and to me it looked like full human hair. It doesn't seem like there's any synthetic in it right now, so I don't know. Like, there was a lot of complaints saying that it's mixed with synthetic, but it doesn't look like it's mixed with synthetic to me. So if you guys get this here, let me know. But this is like full. You can do your whole head with this $28 here. Okay. Alright guys, let me know if you guys like this video. Make sure you guys comment down below. Follow me on Instagram at iamjustgeorgiak, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye guys. Bye. Bye. Bye.